In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to fix this problem if the Hisense AC Remote is actually not working. Now, here are the first things you can actually do. One, if you're actually trying to press your Hisense AC Remote and you probably not see any changes from the screen, you can see when I press like this and it's still no working, okay? And you look at this, this lock button, right? Probably the Hisense AC remote is actually locked and you have to unlock it. Now, the thing is that to unlock it, you're actually going to press the time on button and the time off button for like 2-3 seconds, then you release. You press those buttons at the same time and then release. Now, that is unlocked. So the first thing is that sometimes the AC remote might be locked, and then when you press the buttons and there's no change, check if it's actually locked. If it's locked, unlock it. Now, when you unlock it and you try to press, there will be changes, okay? Now it's actually working very well. The other thing is that it's actually very important to check if the batteries of the Hisense AC remote are actually working very well. Now, how do you check that? What you're going to do is when you have another phone, open the camera app. Now, get the AC remote. For example, you see this is the part that you point to the AC unit, okay? Now, you're going to do this, okay? Behind the camera, okay, of the phone, then press any button, okay? Now, make sure that your AC remote, whenever you press a button, you should be able to see that light, okay? That actually means that the batteries of the AC remote are actually working and they are not dead. If you don't see that light, please make sure that you replace the batteries. So remove the batteries, okay, and replace them accordingly, okay? I hope we are together on that. The important to note is that make sure that the AC unit is actually powered on and is actually getting current, getting power. Because when you press this, there will actually not be any change if the AC unit has no power. Okay, very important. Okay, let's keep that in mind. You have to really check the batteries whether they're actually inserted very well. So make sure that the AC remote batteries are actually inserted well. Check at the back, remove the cover. Okay, endeavor to check that the batteries are actually properly inserted with the terminals very well put. Okay, yes, okay, yes, check them if they are properly inserted. Okay, yes, if they are not properly inserted, like in the proper orientation, please make sure you insert them very well. After inserting the batteries, always make sure that you check whether the remote is actually functioning very well, if it's actually causing all of this. Okay,